How to increase bass on Spotify for iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, go ahead and tap on your profile option from the top left of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that. You will then see the option for playback. Tap on that, and now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Equalizer. Tap on that. Further, navigate to the bass booster option and tap on that in order to increase the bass. And now, as you can see, the bass has been increased. So, this is how you can increase bass on Spotify for iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.